time is it? 7:41. What's going on, YouTube? Bro, this pollen right now is crazy. Send my package off. I got a package in the bag. That's my oil pan. I'm getting my oil pan done on. My oil pan's getting done on Thursday. And once I get that oil pan on, I can lower it finally. I'm on my way to my girl's house right now. She's sick. I'm gonna bring her some food. You know, gotta be a good boyfriend teens. Gotta be a good boyfriend, right? Damn, bro, man, this pollen messing me up. My eyes are red. Look like someone farted in my face, dude. No joke. Supposedly, it's like the most amount of pollen we've had, like in Georgia. Supposedly, that's what they say. Bro, I've been trying to do pools, but I usually, y'all let me know, but I usually do my oil changes around like 2,500. But I'm running 0W20, so it's already thinner than what I could be using. So I feel like by now it's probably thinned out even more. You know what I mean? But you know, I'm getting that oil pan done on Thursday, and I'm also switching over to 5W30, thicker. What's it called? Is it viscosity? Viscosity? Just helps the engine run better. But yeah, I'm excited for that, man. Man, all I need is that oil pan done, and I can literally get, what's it called, buy the coilovers. I mean, I really could buy them now. I guess you could say I'm just kind of holding off. I wonder if the video is dark. Like, you hear that G? Never mind, it's Alexis. It's Alexis behind me. I see bro wanna play. Bro, I said I was gonna do a pool. I know he's gonna be tripping. I know he's gonna be like a crash out, so we're gonna play around with him. Man, I wanna make a video tomorrow. I'm gonna probably upload a video tomorrow on why I think I should have gotten a 3.7 over my Redsport. Honestly, bro, I feel like the 3.7, that's for tomorrow's video, bro. Let me not speak too much. But yeah, no, that's gonna be tomorrow's video. Why I think I should have gotten a 3.7 over a Redsport. I mean, it's cool enough, don't get me wrong, man. You got the horsepower, but honestly, my main discussion is you just can't argue with the sound, bro. Is bro gonna play around? Damn, he's not gonna wanna play. But that's a Lexus though. Them Lexus is clean. Yeah, man, I love those Lexuses, those IS350s, IS250s. I don't honestly get the 350 though, because I feel like the 250 is too slow. I think the 350 got a V6 and the 250 got a 4-cylinder. Bro, I don't mind the PJs, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's Sunday. I was chilling at home. I'm washing my clothes. It's one of those days, you feel me? Got my pajamas on. Bro, I hope it's not too dark in here. I got this chrome tint on, man. It's like, if I'm being honest, I love having tint all around from the outside, but from the inside, it's like, I'm the type of dude where I like to see like the sunset, like no corny shit, but like, you know, I like to see the clouds and like you roll the window down, you see how like the birds chirping in, you know, it just I think I better blow out. But that's like my cousin. That's not my cousin. Damn, whose brakes are those, bruh? Just let me change out brakes. Play around, bruh. I know I said I'm not gonna do pools, but man, Sport Plus, it calls me, bruh. It calls my name. Never mind, bruh. This was a horrible time to put it in. Man, Sport Plus, dude. For what? What up, bruh? Hold on, bro. Don't mind, bro. Don't mind my, bro. Yeah. Just making sure, like, I had the thing shit when it. is that a car, bro? Bro, with this tent, like, you see like a pair of lights swerve around a car and come at you fast, bro. When you got dark tent, you can't even tell what type of car it is, dude. You see a car pulling up out the, like, bro, damn, I'm stuttering, bro. I got I steps, bro. Bro, I'm not even joking, bro. I think I got a stutter problem. Like, if you got tent that's dark enough, bro, and you see a car swerve around another car trying to catch up to you fast, like, for me at least, like, the first thing I'm like, damn, bro, that looks like a car that saw me trying to catch up to me. Bro, I can't wait to get lower, dude. Honestly, bro, I don't know what I should do next. Like, I don't know if I should, like, lower my car or if I should get an exhaust, because I already got lower downpipes. So if I get an exhaust, you know, we can hear some turbo spools, you know? It's gonna sound beautiful. And the rice, if y'all hear that, like, you know, that sound don't sound beautiful, but I'll get that checked. Hopefully my guy the guy that's gonna do my oil pan, he can check that out for me, because it has, like, my suspension's all types of, like, it's messed up right now. I try not to do pools in a high gear, because I heard it's not good for your turbos. It causes, like, overspinning and stuff like that. But I don't, y'all let me know that y'all, like, I know how to drive manual, but, like, in an automatic vehicle that has, like, the manual mode, is it normal to just be sitting in a gear like this? Like, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it's rev matched right now. Is that a Volkswagen behind me? But I'm trying to pop up to some meets this summer, bro. I feel like I got nobody to go with, bro. Like, bro got like 5 business days of time, bro. Go. Damn, I need to get into that lane. Bro, I need to go to McDonald's. Let me in, please. Alright, that's enough. What they call spirited driving. No more spirited driving. I like the duck to face me. It's a face of security. There you go. And I'm on my way to get a frappe. I know McDonald's got the Happy Meal right now. What's it called? What's it called? The Happy Meal with the McDonald's Minecraft. I know they got the Happy Meal going on right now. I low-key want to get it. But I'm just here to get a frappe. It's like a snack. I don't know if she wants anything to eat though. I should probably ask her. Or should I get boba? Or should I get a frappe or boba? Y'all let me know if y'all like these POV drives, man. I'm not gonna lie, recently I've been watching like a lot of like other YouTubers, and I feel like my content I don't know, I feel like I'm just not doing as well as I could if I post other stuff, if that makes sense. Because I mean, my channel's kind of strictly like, damn bro, I feel like I got a pop tire. My channel's kind of strictly based off like POVs. Hold on, let me see if I can get this order real quick.
Hi, 1 second, please.
Okay. I'm ready now. So, yeah, like I was saying, bro, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I gotta switch up my content. But it's so dark in here, I don't know if y'all can see. We got the goods, man. We got it. Man, if you don't suck off the top, you're not doing it right. You gotta suck off the top always. Ouch. But I don't know how people drive around like 5% all around. Like at nighttime I can see, but when it comes to around going around corners, I'll be scared I'm like gonna curb or go over the curb, or you know. But what is this traffic? I'm gonna go ahead and drink mine. Go ahead and drink mine. Bro, I don't even think I really wanted this for real. Now that I think about it, bro, I think I wanted like just the water. You know when you think you want something, but then when you get it, you're like, actually, is that being ungrateful? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's being ungrateful. I think it's just like you thought you wanted it, but you really didn't, you know? Oh man, I just remembered I'm gonna get some custom headlights on. I'm gonna get it from my boy, and I don't know, it's so weird how you meet people and connect, and like, bro, I'm just like realizing how small this world is. Like, you know somebody that knows somebody, then that person knows them too, and then like, bro, the list gets on and on and on. It's crazy. Basically, I follow this guy on TikTok, right? He's unboxing these headlights, and they were clean. I was like, yo, those are nice. Like, maybe it's for a good price, you know? Because, you know, me at least, maybe, but I'm pretty sure it's like a lot of people are like, you know, when you're about to buy something, you trying to look for like your best option. Like, you don't want to spend OD, but you're looking for like, I don't know, it depends. But like, you know, you just trying to look for your best option and look around. I've been looking at a couple of like custom headlights. Not many people like, cause I'm trying to look for like pre-built or like basically made already. Cause I'm not, cause a lot of like most custom headlights, they sell them like as in a kit where they sell you everything you need to make the headlight. You know what I mean? I'm trying to do it. I'm just trying to buy like the kit, install it, and you know, done deal. But you know, I follow this guy on TikTok and he was unboxing some headlights, and the guy who made it for him was a guy that I watched on YouTube. And I was like, bro, I saw this guy's videos like not too long ago. I didn't even know this guy made headlights. But I just thought it was funny that the guy I watched on YouTube, he makes headlights too, and I never knew it. Like, I don't know. I thought it was funny to me. This world is just small, bro. A little bit ASMR. Let me know though. I'm trying to get some mics. I want to hook up a mic. Well, this is maybe like later on when I get an actual exhaust and like when I actually start doing performance mods and like exhaust work. Because right now I'm just trying to, I guess, cosmetic, you know, lower red tint, stuff like that. But later on, when I start doing performance mod, I'm trying to get like mics to hook it up to the exhaust and the intakes, and you know, a mic hooked up to me. That way, you can actually hear the turbo spool up while I talk. I feel like that'd be pretty cool. Bruh, I keep pushing my eyes up, like, cause I wear glasses, and I wear glasses on a daily basis, especially at work. So when I wear my contacts, I'm like constantly like pushing up, like I have my glasses on when I don't. It's bad, like it's a habit, bro. I'm gonna probably cut the video short here, y'all. If y'all do like the videos, man, subscribe and like. It helps me. Helps the algorithm to push out my videos to people who do like POV drives, who do like, you know, Q50s and this and that. You know, keep up the progress of my build on my Q50, and I feel like, you know, see what my day-in-day life basis is and this and that. Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you on the next video.